Hi, we're at the connector now, and what we'd like to do is show you the work that's been going on. In the background, you'll hear the saw blade that's been cutting and cut into the church building and is now cutting into Lloyd Hall. Because what we're doing is opening everything up so that the connector can connect through from Lloyd Hall into the church building. And what we're going to show you is where they're building up now the level underneath the connector. And we're going to show you where they already cut out all of the stone so that the entrance into the church building has been completed, which will allow us to move from the one building into the other. So we're going to take you up and show you.